Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics step by step. First, focus on building a rock-solid foundation. Physics is like a building. If the base isn't strong, the whole structure can crumble. Dedicate ample time to understanding fundamental principles and mathematical tools. Reviewing previous topics consistently, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes each day, will solidify your knowledge and prepare you for more complex ideas ahead. This initial effort pays off immensely. Next, active learning is absolutely crucial. Don't just read, do. Solve a wide range of numerical problems every single day, aiming for at least 5 to 10 problems. Practice deriving formulas yourself to truly grasp their origins and applications. Consider forming a small study group of 3 or 4 peers to discuss challenging concepts and work through problems together. Explaining ideas to others often clarifies them for yourself. Establishing effective study habits is your third key step. Develop a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 1 to 2 hours specifically to physics 4 or 5 times a week. Utilize visual aids like diagrams, graphs, and flowcharts to simplify complex processes. Taking concise, organized notes during lectures, and while reading your textbook will help you retain information and make review sessions much more efficient. Finally, regular review and self-assessment are vital for success. Consistently test your understanding by attempting practice exams and quizzes, perhaps once every 2 weeks. Identify your weak areas from these assessments and dedicate extra study time to those specific topics. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers or mentors on any difficult concepts. They are there to help you succeed. Aim for mastery, not just memorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.